Why is Vastu Shastra crucial in house construction? Ever pondered over it? Let's delve into this intriguing topic together. Vastu Shastra, an age-old Indian science of architecture, plays an integral role in house construction. It is deeply rooted in Indian culture and holds a significant place in the hearts of its people. Vastu Shastra is not just about bricks, walls, and doors. It's a comprehensive approach that blends the elements of nature with human existence. This architectural philosophy is based on the cosmic principles of design and construction, harmonizing the flow of energy, or prana, within the living space. It revolves around the 5 elements of nature: earth, water, air, fire, and space, collectively known as Panchbhutas. The significance of Vastu Shastra in house construction is profound. It's believed that a house constructed in adherence to Vastu principles can bring prosperity, peace, and happiness to its inhabitants. It's not just about the physical structure. It's about creating an environment that promotes well-being and prosperity. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, a peaceful and harmonious living space can serve as a sanctuary, a place where you can unwind and rejuvenate. Vastu Shastra, with its emphasis on balance and harmony, facilitates this by ensuring a positive energy flow in the house. Every corner of a house, according to Vastu Shastra, has a specific energy field that influences certain aspects of our lives. The right placement of rooms, doors, windows, and even furniture can affect the energy dynamics of the house, impacting the health, wealth, and happiness of the residents. So, when constructing a house, incorporating Vastu principles is not just about following traditions or cultural norms. It is about creating a living environment that resonates with the universal energy, promoting harmony, prosperity, and happiness. Thus, Vastu Shastra is not just an architectural theory, but a bridge to harmonize nature's energy within your living space. It's a way of life that can guide us towards a more balanced and prosperous existence. To build a house following Vastu principles, one must comprehend the Vastu Purusha Mandala. Now let's dive into understanding this intriguing concept. The Vastu Purusha Mandala is a fundamental element in Vastu Shastra, the ancient Indian science of architecture. It's not just a mere diagram or pattern, but a powerful cosmological symbol, reflecting the universe's entirety. This mandala, or plan, is the metaphysical plan of a building that incorporates the course of the heavenly bodies and supernatural forces. Imagine a grid, a kind of cosmic chessboard. The Vastu Purusha Mandala is precisely that, a grid of squares known as padas. The number of padas may vary, but the most commonly used is the 81-square grid, the Paramasaika layout. Each square or pada in this grid is not just a unit of measure, but a space resonating with a specific energy field or deity. The mandala's design is so intricate and detailed that every aspect of life and the universe finds a place in it. It is a visual expression of the way Indians perceive the cosmos as an integrated correlation of various forces. Now, how does this tie into house construction, you may ask? Well, the Vastu Purusha Mandala is used as a blueprint to plan the layout of the house. Each section of the grid corresponds to a specific room or part of the house. For instance, the northeast corner, governed by the deity of wisdom, is ideal for a study room or library. Using the mandala as a guide, the architect or homeowner can align the house with the cosmic principles, yielding a living space in harmony with the universe. This alignment, according to Vastu Shastra, brings prosperity, happiness, and well-being to the occupants. The Vastu Purusha Mandala, therefore, serves as the cosmic blueprint for your house. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of constructing a house based on Vastu Shastra. Firstly, the selection of the site is of utmost importance. In Vastu Shastra, the site is more than just a plot of land. It's the space where the dance of cosmic energies takes place. The site should be clean, free of clutter, and ideally it should be square or rectangular. Avoid irregular shapes as they may disrupt the flow of energy. Once the site is chosen, the next step is orientation. The house should face the east or the north, as these directions are considered auspicious and bring in positive energy. The sun's rays in the morning are rich in vitamin D, and hence, an east-facing house is preferred. Now, let's move on to planning the rooms and their locations. Each room in the house has an ideal position according to Vastu Shastra. The living room, the heart of the house, should be in the east or the north. The kitchen, representing the fiery element, should be in the southeast corner, while the master bedroom should be in the southwest, providing stability and strength. The children's rooms are best placed in the west, and the guest room can occupy the northwest corner. The bathrooms and toilets should ideally be in the northwest or the southeast. The placement of entrances is also crucial in Vastu Shastra. The main door is not just the entry point for people, but also for energy. The best position for the main entrance is the north, east, or northeast. It's essential to ensure that the door opens inwards to invite the energies in. Windows are the eyes of the house. They allow light and air, and according to Vastu, they should be evenly distributed. Larger windows should be in the north or east to let in the beneficial morning sunlight, and smaller ones can be in the south or west. The next step is the construction of the walls and the roof. The walls in the east and north should be shorter and thinner than those in the west and south for a smooth flow of cosmic energies. The roof should slope towards the east and north, and it should be higher in the west and south. The last but not least is the planning of open spaces. According to Vastu Shastra, more open space should be left in the east and north compared to the south and west. This allows the beneficial sun rays of the morning to permeate the house. And there you have it, a house built in harmony with the universe, thanks to Vastu Shastra. This step-by-step guide can be your beacon when you decide to construct your house according to Vastu principles. Remember, Vastu Shastra is not about rigid adherence, but about balance and harmony. So, while planning your house, keep these principles in mind, but also remember to incorporate your personal touch to make your house a home. We have journeyed through the ancient wisdom of Vastu Shastra. Now it's time to recap. First, we delved into the significance of Vastu Shastra in house construction. We discovered that this timeless Indian architectural science goes beyond aesthetics and functionality. It's a spiritual guide that integrates nature's elements, earth, water, fire, air, and space into our living environments. Vastu Shastra is all about harmonizing these elements to foster positivity and well-being. Then we explored the heart of Vastu Shastra, the Vastu Purusha Mandala. This cosmic diagram representing the universe is a crucial tool in Vastu Shastra. It's a geometric grid of 81 squares, each holding symbolic and practical relevance. The mandala guides the placement of rooms and elements in a house, ensuring the equilibrium of energies. After understanding the mandala, we ventured into the step-by-step process of constructing a house, adhering to Vastu principles. We learned that the site selection and orientation are paramount. A plot with a square or rectangular shape facing east or north is considered auspicious. The house's construction should begin with the excavation in the northeast corner, progressing towards the southwest. The layout of the rooms follows the mandala, with the kitchen in the southeast representing the fire element and the master bedroom in the southwest symbolizing the earth element. The northeast corner, the water element's domain, is ideal for a prayer room or a water source. We also discussed the importance of doors and windows placement and the significance of open spaces in facilitating the flow of positive energy. In conclusion, constructing a house according to Vastu Shastra is not just about following a set of architectural rules. It's a holistic approach that aims to create a living space filled with harmony, balance, and positivity. Remember, a house constructed in accordance with Vastu Shastra is believed to be filled with positive energy, promoting peace, prosperity, and happiness. So, why not give it a try?